with Gage and Stella and Cowboy. We're playing in the rain. That's not playing in the rain. I'm getting wet and you're not. Yeah, I know. You have words of wisdom for the YouTubers?
No.
No? You don't have any words of wisdom?
Subscribe!
Okay, don't step in the dog
I
poop.
know, I almost did.
There's Stella. Stella, say hi.
Hi. It's YouTube.
Wait, you're actually going to post it on YouTube?
Yeah.
That is amazing. No fair, we don't
Are
even
you?
know.
You're on there already doing your schoolwork from before, and remember we did our video?
And we're from Bracken.
Bracken Christian Schools. Their school. What grade did you just start?
Second.
Second grade.
First.
And you're in first. And
My birthday passed on August 18th.
I know mine is August 4th.
Mine's about to come.
Oh my gosh! Be careful. Playing in the rain.
Subscribe
give-
and hit that.
Give me some words of wisdom, Stella.
Oh, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Subscribe and hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, baby! Woo! All right,
We
Cowboy.
want to know how much people like this thing.
Yeah,
Like
look at Cowboy. Comment, like, and subscribe. Gage, you got some words of wisdom?
Yes, I do.
You're such a cute. You guys are cute. Oh my God, I'm getting wet and y'all are not. This is not playing in the rain.
Okay.
Well, this is
Okay,
getting
go.
wet.
Woo!
Wet, but so wet. So wet. Stella, get out of here.
Go, Stella, go.
Extra wet.
Go, Stella. Go. Woo! Oh, there went Cowboy.
No.
Oh, go high because he's going to jump.
Watch out, Cowboy.
Okay. Here he goes.
Watch me jump.
Oh my goodness. Like a superhero you flew through the air.
I accidentally went too far.
Like a superhero. Meow.
Cowboys just
Go.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. You
That's so dirty. Oh, my back hurts.
Okay, so we are in the little tent with
Yep.
Stella. We climbed up here.
My Gage
And
just
there's
got
Gage and
soaked.
Cowboys playing in the rain.
In the
Cowboy
rain.
just like behind.
Go down.
Go down, Cowboy.
Go,
Go down, Cowboy.
Cowboy.
Woo.
He just like
Okay, come up. Come on.
Good job.
Good job, Cowboy.
That's how good I am.
Okay, do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. Come back. Oh. He did it. I feel like I'm going to break this thing.
No, you're not. That's how strong this thing is.
It's not stopping.
Huh?
It's not pausing. I think because I got it wet.
a problem.
Stop.